This time on the Retro Race.
Move the T4, then try a wheel. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what that gives us. This side, understand that. Yeah. You got it. The problem comes in that as it is where you would need it to be able to turn the wheel. Yeah. Look how high the sill is off the floor. Yeah. So it's an easy measurement. I don't think we need.
It's going to be above them rivets.
Yeah.
Okay.
It tucks in though a bit, doesn't it? A bit.
A bit. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
But by that point, do you just go with here, because at drive height you're going to be 3 inches off the ground?
Depends what look you want when it's aired out.
Well, yeah, but you also don't want it to look too donk when it's not.
Maybe they're the type to drive it mega hard?
No. Touching on the
yeah, they are basically touching on that.
So is that it? That's as far as downs I can go at the minute?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me have a look. 4 inches off the floor.
Alright.
4 inches off the floor.
Those arches need cutting, don't they?
It's what I was saying to you the other day.
Yeah.
See how it's tucking like a lot of wheel like that?
Yeah.
You still have that look, but higher up.
Yeah, I think that's what it'll have to be. It'll have to have some tuck.
Yeah.
Because I think it needs to be below the rivets.
Yeah, you've got what, like an inch of wheel tucking?
Yeah.
And 4 inches to go to the floor, and there's 5 inches to the rivet.
So you have an inch below the rivet.
To give it that slam. Yeah.
Because the wheel will go above the rivet, the tyre. Just not here, but probably doesn't need to there. No. So where is that in terms of, what did I say, it was like 12, it was 25 inch. So if I said 12, yeah.
Don't scratch the paint.
It's immaculate.
That's pristine.
Like rotors for small wheels, so that you can fit small wheels on almost anything. So you could get like 15s and go with like aeros, but you're still then going to have a big tyre. You know, if
You're going to end up around that.
You're going to end up with a rolling radius of about that anyway, aren't you?
Because I think even those we said were like 24.
Yeah.
You said those are 25.
Well, they're just over 24, so I said 25 to be safe. And like, they're 25. And on the back, we're going to want some meaty boys. The other ones are too long on the alloys.
Brian? Yeah, they're way
Oh, they're really long. I mean, I've probably got others. I'll go and see what I've got.
These might work actually, yeah?
Yeah? Yeah. Well, these ones are a little bit longer.